In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a travel agency website with a user login option using WordPress. This guide will help you step by step to create a stunning and functional online platform for your travel business. To start, make sure you are logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. This option allows you to enhance your website's functionality with various plugins. In the search bar, go ahead and type WP Travel Engine. This plugin is essential as it allows you to add travel management capabilities to your site. When it appears, click Install and then activate the plugin. With that done, it's time to get yourself a suitable theme. Head to Appearance, then Themes, and click on Add New. You can never go wrong with themes like Travel Agency, Astra, or Ocean WP, which are all well suited for travel-based sites. Search for your preferred theme, install it, and activate it. This will provide you with a visually appealing foundation for your website. Next, create your trip pages. Go to the new Trips menu that appeared after activating the WP Travel Engine plugin and select Add New. Here, you can enter your trip details, including the title, description, price, images, and itinerary. When satisfied with the content, click Publish. Repeat this process for each of your travel packages to showcase different offers. Now, create a dedicated trips page for your site. Go to Pages, then Add New, and insert this shortcode, WPP travel/engine to trips. This shortcode will display all your trips on the published page. Once done, hit Publish. Adding user login functionality is the next crucial step. Return to the plugins section and again click on Add New. Search for plugins such as User Registration or Login Sign Up Pop-up, for instance, User Registration by WP Everest. Install and activate this plugin as it automatically generates pages like Login and Register for you. You can use shortcodes like User Registration My Account to place login forms across your site. After setting up the login features, it's time to incorporate these into your main navigation for easier access. Go to Appearance, then Menus, and include links to your trips, login, and register pages. Save the menu to confirm these changes. With your basic setup complete, it's crucial to customize your design to align with your brand identity. Navigate to Appearance, Customize, and adjust settings such as colors, fonts, and homepage layout. Tailor these elements to reflect your travel brand's aesthetics. Finally, test your website to ensure everything functions as expected. Visit your site and try registering as a user. Attempt booking a trip to verify the process is smooth and user-friendly. This is an essential step to ensure your website visitors will have an optimal experience. With these comprehensive steps, you now have a travel agency website ready with user login functionality using WordPress. Your online platform is not only visually appealing, but also packed with features that cater to both your needs and those of your clients. So get ready to welcome and impress your customers with a well-crafted digital presence.